Why, thank you. And yes, I washed my hands. It's just really fast because sink is built into the toilet. Which is, you know, common with Japanese toilets. Can I say another thing that's common with Japanese toilets? Which really annoys me. Toilet paper in Japan is so thin that you need to literally roll, I'm not joking, like maybe 5 meters or so off of the roll to get anything significant in terms of thickness. It's so thin. It's the thinnest ever, and they don't even sell like thicker ones. I was legit considering bringing my own toilet paper from Austria. I think in America I felt like it was also pretty thin, but that might just be in the hotel. But in Austria we have properly thick ones, and you can get thicker ones if you want. Like there's like either like 3 ply or 4 ply, I think. But here's like legit 0.2 ply. Why? I don't understand. なんで日本のトイレットペーパーがあんなに細い？薄い？あんなに薄いのか。教えてほしい。日本にしかいたことない人、海外に行ったことない人、理解できないと思うんですけど、ヨーロッパのトイレットペーパーはだいぶ太くて、そんなにいっぱい取る必要ない。Yeah, for the hotel it's probably cheaper to just get the thin ones. But like, you're gonna end up just using more. 肌触り全然でもなんか薄くないのに柔らかいトイレットペーパーありますよ。でダブルでも日本のダブルは全然薄い。This thought it was because of cheaper hotels thing. No, it's everywhere. 水が溶け。Oh, maybe it's for. Somebody said in Japanese that maybe it's for like for it to be easier to dissolve. Yeah, that could be. They try to just make it easier to dissolve in the waters underground for the sewage, for the sake of the sewage. それかもな。本当は流しきれないとか、まああれだな。溶けるようにとかかな。sewage thing. Huh. Interesting. Makes sense. Marian mentioned buying some exclusive thick toilet paper. Really? She mentioned that before. I visited her place once. I don't think it was really thick. It seemed pretty like standard to me. But I'm not sure. It's been too long. I need to check her toilet paper. I guess I'll hit her up. I'm like, Marian senpai, お家行ってもいいですか？トイレットペーパーどれぐらい太いのか見てみたいです。I need to check how thick your toilet paper is. Oh, really long information here. めっちゃ詳しいやん。Okay, seems really to be something about the sewage. Okay, that makes sense then. I shall not complain about the toilet paper anymore. Because I guess depending on the country and continents, sewage systems are very different. Super cool. Excuse me.